I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to pause Amazon capturing your browsing history on the Amazon mobile app. And to be clear, this will prevent Amazon from capturing your browsing history in all of the places where you access your Amazon account. Step 1. Open the Amazon app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the profile icon in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Tap Account. Step 3. Scroll down to the Personalized Content section and then tap Browsing History. A list of items you've recently viewed on Amazon is displayed. Step 4. Tap the Settings icon at the top of this menu. A window opens where you can adjust the settings associated with your Amazon browsing history. Step 5. Navigate to the Pause History section and then tap to choose how long you want to pause your Amazon browsing history for. Your Amazon browsing history will be paused and not recorded over your defined duration. You can re-enable your Amazon browsing history at any time by navigating back to this screen and then tapping Enable Browsing History. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.